Good morning. I am Madhurima Datta, Zoology and Biology Educational Content Creator. Now's content for BSc Zoology Honors, MSc Zoology and CET PG, CSN and Life Sciences students. Paper Non-Coordinates Unit Annelida and topic is Form and Function of Hirudinaria. One common example of class Hirudinaria is leeches. Class Hirudinaria is divided into three orders: Hirudinia, the true leeches, and two other that merit mention here because their members are morphological intermediates between oligochaetes and true leeches. Oligochaetes have variable number of segments, segment bear seta, and there are no suckers on the body. True leeches have 34 segments, entirely lack seta, and possesses anterior and posterior suckers. Member of order Acanthoberelia have 27 segments, bear seta on the first 5 segments, and have a posterior suckers. Members of the border Branchioptelia have 14 or 15 segments, no seta, and an anterior sucker. Habitats. Leeches occur predominantly in freshwater habitats, but a few are marine, and some have even adapted to terrestrial life in warm, moist places. They are more abundant in tropical countries than in the temperate zone. Size: most leeches are between 2 and 6 centimeter in length, but some, including medicinal leeches, reach 20 centimeter. The giant of all is the Amazonian Hementeria, which reaches 30 centimeter. Shape. Leeches are usually flattened dorsoventrally and exhibit a variety of patterns and colors: black, brown, red, or olive green. Many leeches live as carnivores on small invertebrates. Some are temporary parasites and some are permanent parasites, never leaving their host. Coelom. Leeches lack distinct coelomic compartments. In all but one species, the septa have disappeared, and the coelomic cavity is filled with connective tissue and a system of spaces called lacuna. The coelomic lacuna form a regular system of channels filled with coelomic fluid, which in some leeches serve as an auxiliary circulatory system. Nutrition. Leeches are popularly considered parasitic, but many are predaceous. Most freshwater leeches are active predators or scavengers equipped with a proboscis that can be extended to ingest small invertebrates or to take blood from cold-blooded vertebrates. Next, respiration and excretion. Gas exchange occurs only through the skin, except in some fish leeches which have gills. There are 10 to 17 pairs of nephridia. In addition to coelomocytes and certain other specialized cells that also may be involved in excretory function. Next, nervous and sensory systems. Leeches have two brains. One is anterior and composed of 6 pairs of fused ganglia forming a ring around the pharynx. The other is posterior and composed of 7 pairs of fused ganglia. An additional 21 pairs of segmental ganglia occur along the double nerve cord. In addition to free sensory nerve endings and photoreceptors cells in the epidermis, there is a row of sense organs called sensilla. In the central annules of each segment, pigment cup ocelli also are present in the many species. Reproduction. Leeches are hermaphroditic but across fertilization during copulation. Sperm are transferred by a penis or by hypodermic impregnation. After copulation, their clitelium secretes a cocoon that receives egg and sperm. Leeches may bury their cocoons in mud, attach them to submerged objects, or in terrestrial species, place them in damp soil. Development is similar to that of oligochaetes. Last is circulation. The coelom of leeches has been reduced by the invasion of connective tissue and in some by a proliferation of chlorogogen tissue to a system of coelomic sinuses and channels. Some orders of leeches retain a typical oligochaete circulatory system, and in this the coelomic sinuses acts as auxiliary blood vascular system. Now the topic has ended. Please subscribe my YouTube channel Biogenesis by Madhurima for all video of BSc Zoology Honors, MSc Zoology and CSNET Life Sciences and Biology classes for class 9 to 12.